band marched on information.
What two mountain ranges are on either side, east and west of Las Vegas? No. Okay, in the back there,
Window
Rocky Mountains.
Rocky Mountains and Cascade Mountains. The girls know you gotta call the winner.
I am the
Snapple.
the drunks were ricocheting. The old buildings downtown empty so long ago. Windows broken and dreaming, so happy to leave what was my home. With the sky blue sky, this rotten time wouldn't seem so bad to me now. Oh, I didn't die, I should be satisfied. I survived, it's good enough for now. Sky blue sky, this rotten time wouldn't seem so bad to me now. Oh, if I didn't die, I should be satisfied. I survived, it's good enough for now.
We're in a room, and behind us there is a large pipe that consists of millions of gallons of water that are being transported from the... Yes, see, the Hoover Dam blocks the Colorado River, which forms Lake Mead. It creates a synergy and energy. These pipes are big diversion tunnels, transporting the water from Lake Mead around the dam to the Colorado River. And these pipes, usually in there, it's around 72 degrees. It's around...
Try to make it up so it's not just right there. Crazy grab some napkins there.
How do you feel about your ice cream?
Sad!
Why?
Because I dropped it on the ground.
Why?
By accident.
That's too bad.
But it was so hot. It was really good. It was like this calm.
What do you think of this predicament?
It's sad. It's very sad. Tragic. It's very sad, but it's kind of funny. No, it cost $3.65. That's a lot of money. Yeah. It's terribly sad, really. It's awful. I don't think anyone's ice cream